Good morning, all the student of class 3. Welcome to your math class, student. So, student, open your composite book and the page number is 109. Open your composite book and the page number is 109. Okay. So, student, today we will do question bank 2. 3-number exercise of question bank 2, which is put greater than, equal or less than sign in the blanks. Means here you have to be choose any of one sign from those three, and obviously which one will be the correct sign, okay, for that math. So have a look on the first math. What as given? 9 into 8. Then they have given you a box. Then after that 12 into 6. Now which symbol will come here? So for that first you have to be calculate something. Now see student, 9 into 8. So 9 into 8 is how much, student? 9 8 is 72, isn't it? And now also 12 into 6. So if you multiply 6 with 12, so you will get 72. Now see student, both the side gives you the same product, which is 72. That's mean the answer is same. So here the equal sign will come. Okay. Now take B number example. Okay. Take B number example. 7 into 7. Then it's a box. Then after that 6 into 8. So in this case also we will first do the multiplication of both the side of the box. So 7 sevens are 49. We all know. And 6 eights are 48. Now student, see here, 49 is greater than 48, isn't it? Because 49 is bigger than 48 by 1. So this number is big. That means 7 into 7 is also bigger than 6 into 8. So that's why here we will put greater than symbol. Okay. Now it's the time for the C number math. Now see C number math. 8 into 8 box equal to 7 into 9. Now 8 8s are 64, isn't it? And 7 9s are 63. Now 64 is bigger than 63. So that's why 8 into 8 is also bigger than 7 into 9. So that's why we will put here the greater than symbol. Okay. Now take F number example. Okay. The F number example is 19 into 6 box. Okay. 19 into 6 box. 18 into 8. Okay. Now what we will do? The same. We will multiply both the side of the box. So 6 9s are 54. So 4 is there. 5 is carry. Now 6 1 is 6 and 6 plus 5 is 11. So the product is 114. Now 18 into 8. So 8 8 is 64. 4 is there. 6 is carry for the next number. Now in this way you have to do the multiplication. Now so it's 144. So obviously 144 is bigger than this number. That's mean 18 into 8 is also bigger than 19 into 6. That's why here we will put this less than symbol. If this number is less, than this number. Okay. So in this way you have to do this 3 number exercise. The why I tell this maths, because rest of all math you can do if you follow the process, that whenever for any math they tell you to choose the correct sign, that time you have to be find out the exact result or answer for the both side math. I mean, after doing the calculation, then after that you have to be compare the both the side whether it is equal, whether it is greater, or whether it is smaller. Okay, and then after that you have to be put the symbol. Okay, I hope that you understand, and practice question bag and all the question bags from the chapters. Those are in your Preparatory syllabus. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.